Tommy here from Green Rhino, back at what winery is this? Dang it. Robert Hall Winery. It's right there. Anyway, we're doing the upholstery again. The second time they used us. They used us probably around 5 months ago, I guess. So yeah, a lot of cushions. But me and Aaron got a pretty good routine. I think we got a video of it last time. Cushions are still in pretty good condition. I don't see any major staining on most of them, but of course there is a little bit of staining here and there. This is wine tasting, right? But we'll hit that and we'll agitate these areas here with the hand. See right there? Yeah, so we can get this little setup here. I forgot my big table because we used it last time. So we're gonna have to utilize some of this corner of this or something, and I'll extract on that little table. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so for the cushions, if the cushions don't have heavily stained, it's just pretty much just needs a dusting, right? I'm gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna do right now, oops, I gotta fill this up, is I'm gonna use my rinse as a cleaner, because it's also a cleaner. And that'll cut down a lot of time on it. So I'm gonna fill that up. This is True Rinse. Been using this recently. That works really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to pre-spray the heavily soiled cushions and agitate as normal. Ones that are not so soiled, I'm just going to run the rinse, which is a cleaner, right through the wand, the hand tool. So it would be less scrubbing and prep involved, easier on their end. So I'm the cleaner, same for me. So all right, let's see if I got any. Yeah, this stuff right here. It's really good to use on if you got a couch job, upholstery job that really doesn't have any stains or anything like that. All you gotta do is run that through your machine. If you got a portable, same thing. Aaron's just hitting it with the pre-spray with the carbon detail on the soil parts, and the rest of it I'm relying on the rinse paint. I kept on looking over there and saying, man, that thing's never getting empty. And I'm like, man, look, it's gonna take us forever. I didn't realize he was taking from that one over there, so that was a nice relief. I think I'm charging $10 for the large cushions and $7 for the small ones. Kind of my general pricing, if you guys are ever getting into this. We do patio furniture from some major wineries around here. They keep using us, so they must like the finished product. All right. Alright guys, all finished up. Let's see, we got Robert Hall Winery. It's oh, okay, my pricing was wrong. $7 for the larger ones, $5 for the smaller cushions a piece. There was 40 smaller ones and there was 32 larger ones. Came to a total of $24. Took us 2.5 hours. Teamwork, you know, it took me twice that by myself, so it's always nice to in case, hey, and this is House Call Pro, if anybody's wondering. Awesome app. You can do so much on it. I live by it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have a link below. If not, it's in the tools I love link below the video, and you can get a free 14-day trial. Once you go to that page, you'll see the trial. So anyway, yeah, I'll finish that. They came out great. Not too many wine stains, surprisingly, as last time. But yeah, easy cleaning. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. We'll see you in the next video. And if you ever come down to Paso, check out Robert Hall Winery. Place is pretty cool. Nice venue right there. Guess they get mans right here, and you can sit up there. All right, see ya.